This is my 22nd property purchase. It's 2 minutes away from Sunderland city centre. It's a 3-bedroom terrace and it's going to cost me £37,000 to fix this property up. Come inside and wait till you see the state of it. So we're going to fully refurb this property. The property, it's old, it's dated, it's a complete mess. So we're going to fix this up. But I do want to keep the old features in the property because I feel like it gives a lot of character to it. So this property needs a full rewire. All of the carpets need replacing. It needs a new central heating system. It needs a full kitchen, a new bathroom. So everything that you can see will be going. So this is the second living room, reception room. This property, it does have some damp in it. I mean, this one's just an example, and then we'll obviously have to deal with that as well. So this now brings us to the kitchen. Now the kitchen will be fully replaced. Right now I wouldn't even call it a kitchen because there's nothing here, and then at the end of the kitchen is a bathroom, but right now it's got a very awkward setup. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this wall out and replace this door so it gives this bathroom more of a spacious feel to it and improves the flow of it, because right now, as you can see, it's very congested. So basically we're going to swap a couple of these doors around. That way this whole room essentially becomes a bathroom. And then outside into the garden, so outside is a classic northern backyard. You can see there's plenty of space here. What we're going to do, obviously we need to clear everything up here, but something interesting that you guys will notice is that there is a functioning toilet. Of course we're not going to keep it, we're going to knock all of this down, just gives it the extra space. Also we're going to render the external walls, repaint it so it looks pretty much brand new, and that's all there is here. Should we go back inside? Forgot to mention there's a garage at the back over there, and there's off-street parking, so there's easy access to city centre, even though you can just walk it because it's only 2 minutes. So upstairs there's 3 bedrooms in total. Everything you're seeing here, the carpets, the wallpaper, everything's going to get replaced. What I do like about this property as well is the fact that it has high ceilings. I mean, if you just look from here and then here, it just makes the property look that much more spacious, which I really like. Okay, let's go to the bedroom. So bedroom number 1, plain and simple. Everything you're seeing here will be replaced. It's going to look like a brand new bedroom, and then that's the views from bedroom number 1. Just behind the building is where the city centre starts, so walking distance, but if you're lazy you can drive it. Bedroom number 2, a bigger room. Again, same story over here. Don't know what we're going to do here, we haven't planned for this, but again there's some extra space in here. And then same with bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is probably the biggest bedroom. So you can see here there's a bit more space in the corner here. Because it's city centre, because it's 3 bedrooms, it's most likely going to be rented out by a family that are looking to stay long term because it's got good access to everywhere. But what comes with the refurb? What comes with the price? So that's going to cover full rewire, new heating system, new kitchen that you can see, kitchen, bathroom, and the bathroom it's going to be fully cladded. We're going to go for the black taps and the black accents because they just look better. And then along with that, new front and back composite doors. I'm just reading through the list. Full repaint inside out, carpets throughout. We've already talked about the render, clean the garden out. The windows are fine. Some of them may need replacing, but overall we won't need new windows. And then we're going to retain the original features, which doesn't cost anything. But yeah, it's a full refurb. It's a big property, and for those of you down south, you might be thinking £37,000. That sounds cheap, but that's how it is up north. You get more for your value because the prices are cheap of the house, and therefore the refurb's cheaper as well. So the purchase price of this property was £78,500. Properties in this area are going for around £150,000. The reason why we managed to get so cheap is because of the condition, and obviously we were ready to pull the trigger quite quickly. Properties in this area are renting for £850 a month, but I believe once this has been refurbed, we're going to try and put it on for £900, see what we get. If we don't, we can put it back to £850, but I'm confident in getting £900 in this one. Only time will tell. So when you're starting out, it's very easy to look at a property like this and kind of be intimidated or even overwhelmed by it. Some of you are probably thinking, oh, why would you bother buying a property like this, spending money on the refurb when you can just buy a property that's already done up? But there are a few things. One is I'm adding value. I've already, bought it undervalued, so I'm already making money there, and I can force the appreciation up. But for me, most importantly, I always like to, when I purchase a property, I always think long term. Is it in a good location? 100%. Does it have shops, transport links, a good school near here? Yes. So it kind of ticks all the boxes for a great asset for long term, and that's exactly why I bought it. Bought it undervalued, I can add value to it, and it's in a great location. So we begin work on this project early next week. We're going to start with the rip out and then the refurb follows. I reckon it's going to take about 6 weeks time, and I'll be sharing the updates, the progress, and the real question is, will I manage to refurb this for £37,000? Only time will tell. Subscribe and you'll find out.